Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Smart Medicine Reminder using GSM with a SMS alert. So Arduino or GSM based medicine reminder. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it should convert to 5 volts pure DC output, and Arduino Mega 2.60 board we are using, and we are using one RTC module, DS3231 RTC module, and it is connected with the I2C protocol, SCL and SD, serial clock and serial data. And there are 4 push buttons: set time, increment, decrement, set timer. So those are connected with 2 3 4 5 pin numbers, and 4 LEDs we are using. Those are connected with A0, A1, A2, A3, 4 LED indicators, and 4 IR sensors. Those are connected with the A4, A5, A6, A7. Whether tablet is taken or not, the IR sensor will detect. Whether it is not taken, it will send the SMS. It will taken, uh, nothing should be, it will chicken. It will show you on the LCD 16 cross 2 LCD display, RS enable D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin number, and alarm connected to the 7th pin. GSM SIM 900A SMS alert, it is connected to the TX1, and APR 3383 voice recorded and playback IC, those are connected to 14, 15, 16, 17. It said take first medicine, second medicine, third medicine, fourth medicine, and 8 ohm speaker. So now let us coming into the hardware part. So in this project we are using one GSM model, GSM SIM 900A module we are using. So this is lock unlock type. Press down, the SIM card will come outside. Okay, so here we are using Idea SIM card. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance, and press down, lock it, and press down side, it will unlock the SIM card. Okay, press up, it will lock the SIM card. GSM SIM 900A module. So we are getting the SMS alert, take first medicine not taken, second medicine not taken, like that. So let us come into the hardware. Power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, and the IR sensors, IR transmitter, receiver, transmitter, receiver, transmitter, receiver, according to the LED. Green LED means 4 LED indicators: tablet 1, tablet 2, tablet 3, 4. First medicine, second medicine, third medicine, fourth medicine. Okay. Arduino Mega 2.60 board, 80 Mega 2.560 board, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And this is reset button, onboard reset button, DS3231 RTC module, I2C based RTC module. And here we are using APR 3383 voice recorded and playback IC, and an alarm. And there are 4 switch buttons. So set clock, increment, decrement, set timer. So now I am going to start the power supply. So smart medicine reminder system using Arduino with GS3231 RTC clock. So initializing GSM modem. So SIM card is already inserted. If it is not inserted, it will show you. Okay. So now I am going to set the timing. So now timing is 4:44. Okay. So time. So increment 4. So time is 44, means decrement. So time is 4:45. 4:40, 43, 45. Then set. Seconds. Saturday 8. Today 8. Month, third month, March month 2025. Then press. So time is set successfully. So now I am going to set the tablet timer. Press. So now it is afternoon. Okay. Afternoon means increment. AM, PM type. Okay. Now time is 4 o'clock now. Increment. 4 o'clock. So now I will go for the 4:48. 4 o'clock. 4:49. 4 o'clock. 48, 49, 50. 4:50, 4 o'clock, 51 second, 51 minute. So EEPROM set timer is success. So 4:46, so 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, so we will get the SMS alert according if the tablet is taken or not taken. So it will come. This is the setup for the tablet timer purpose, and this setup for the DS3231 RTC module. Set timing increment decrement, set timer increment decrement, then this one. Okay, so timer purpose, time purpose 3, timer purpose 3. Okay, alarm, just a beep sound purpose, and this is a 8 ohm speaker, EPR33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, and this is 80 mega 2x60 board and 16x2 LCD display.
Take first medicine.
Take first medicine.
Take first medicine. Take first medicine. Take first medicine. Take first medicine.
Now it is sending the SMS alert. First medicine is not taken. Okay, now it is sending the SMS alert with 2 mobile numbers, one for me, second one is student number. Message sent. Yeah, first medicine not taken, remind it.
Take second medicine. Take second, third medicine.
Now I am going to take the third medicine.
Take third medicine.
Okay,
Take third medicine. Take third medicine.
so there is a third medicine taken, thanks. Okay,
Take fourth medicine.
fourth medicine.
Take fourth medicine.
Now I am taking fourth
Take
medicine.
fourth medicine. Take fourth medicine. Take fourth medicine. Take fourth medicine.
Fourth medicine taken, thanks. So first medicine and second medicine only SMS alert. Remaining two there is no message alert. Okay, so now I will go for the one by one again. Okay, so we will go for the 48, 49 now. Now I'll go back to the same position.
Take second medicine. Take second medicine.
Now I am going to set the timer. Yeah, afternoon, 4 o'clock, 53, 54, 4 o'clock, 54, then okay, 4 o'clock, 55, 4 o'clock, 56, 4 o'clock, 57. Your timer is set successfully. So 54 we will. Okay, now we will check for the 4:54 first medicine. Yeah, first medicine LED. Now I am taking the first medicine.
Take first medicine. Take first medicine. Take first medicine.
Okay, yeah, first medicine taken, thanks. Okay, we will go for the second medicine. Okay, 4:55.
Take second medicine.
So now I am not taking the second medicine.
Second medicine.
We will check the SMS alert.
Take second medicine. Take second medicine. Take second medicine.
So we are not taking second medicine. Now it is sending the SMS alert. 2 numbers, one for me and another one is student number. Sending SMS to Yeah, second medicine not taken, remind it. Third and fourth also we will not take. Okay. Only first medicine taken, remaining we will not take. We will check the SMS alert. Testing purpose.
Take
Okay.
third medicine.
LED on.
Take
Third medicine. Voice
Take
alert.
third medicine.
And we
Take
will not
third
take.
medicine.
It will give you the
Take
time
third medicine. Take third medicine.
for 5 counts, 5 voice counts. Third medicine taken. Okay. So that voice. So this IR sensor is bending. That's why it came.